What's good, YouTube? Sprizzy here. Just thought I'd do a little reciting of the poem what I wrote to Pretty Wings. I wrote this song for my 818. You know, it's me, man. She's like beautiful, so thought I'd express, you know, my words in the poem. And actually, here's my poem is written in this. I wrote it in here, so you know, I thought I'd read it for you guys. So hopefully you guys will like it, and I'm sure she's watching because I told her to watch it. I'm like, hey, watch this video. I thought I was gonna say it to her over the phone, but like, that's cheesy. I was gonna send it to her through a text, but that's cheesy. So that should be cool. Excuse my, not togetherness, you know. I had nobody to record it for me, so I did it self-made, you know what I mean? So, just let's go. Bring it back. I see life in you. After all the darkness I've seen, your eyes always provide the light. There's this beat in your heart that overpowers mine. The sparkle in your soul that seems to complete mine. This touch of your lips that melts me. You're a part of me. You make me better. See, I get this thrust for love whenever I see your face. This burst of happiness whenever I hear your name. I mean, the smile on my face whenever I'm near you is too big to be measured. Yeah, I want this forever. I devoted my life to your eyes. As long as you stay the same. You're beautiful. Your beauty defines its meaning. Perfect. Completely. I mean, I'm gonna get that memorized. So, that's sweet. Miss Pretty. And I'm really digging Shorty, guys. But hey, I should sing too, like, wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, up, 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 up.